Ukhuzibuya umqhudelwano waminyaka yonke weSolomon Stix Morewa Soccer Challenge. Lo mqhudelwano ngokuhlonipha umlando wayengumengameli wenhlangano yebhola kuleli iSAFA. uMorewa washona ngo-2005 ngaphambi kokuzibonela ngawakhe kufezeke iphupho lokuthi iAfrika isingathe indebe yomhlaba kokuqala. Lo mqhudelwano webhola awubangabikho iminyaka emibili edlule ngenxa yokubhedwa kwe-COVID-19. iSAFA ithi lo mqhudelwano uzoqhubeka nokuvundulula ikhono elisha ebholeni lakuleli.
This tournament has opened many doors and we hope that it will continue to open many doors. It is happening at a strategic time where South African Football Association say let's go back to the roots.
Kodwa wayengumdlali weOrlando Pirates aphinde abe yiphini lomqeqeshi uTebogo Moloi uthi kuningi okumele kwenziwe ukubuyisela ibhola kulezi yansuku zalo.
We have now craven rugby. Can we have craven football? Then we know that we are also now seriously giving our players a chance in football and education.
Umdlalo wokugcina okuhlonzwa kulomqhudelwano ngumduduzi Shabalala weKaizer Chiefs ngo-2019. Lo mdlalo osemncane neminyaka eyi-18 wayedlalela iqembu labasakhula kuChiefs ngaphambi kokunyuselwa eqenjini elikhulu. Ukapteni weBanyana Banyana uWethulwe watholakala kulomqhudelwano.
Grassroots soccer is where I also began, and I still play with the boys and girls, even now. It does not matter whether I won WAFCON with Banyana Banyana or what, I still go there because it's the joy that I get while I play football there.
uMorewa waguqula impilo yabadlali hayi ngebhola nje kuphela.
I remember then Mr. Morewa created what it was called Education Fund. There was such fund that would make sure that the players who wants to further their education, they do benefit from such a fund.
Lo mqhudelwano awukhethile ngokweminyaka kusukela kubadlali abangaphansi kweminyaka eyisishagalolunye kuya phezulu. Iqembu labaneminyaka engama-43 labadala eliqhamuka eSoweto ilona lizoqala umdlalo wokuvula ngesonto. Lo mqhudelwano uzoqhubeka kuze kube ziba ngama-27 kuLwezi.